Is your toilet clogged and you need to know how to unclog it? Well, this video is for you. So the first thing that you should do so that the water would stop running, make sure to go ahead and push the flapper down on the back, and that's gonna stop the water from entering into the bowl. And then you're gonna wanna go over here and you're gonna wanna shut off this water so that way no more water comes in. This is gonna be interesting because the first tip I'm gonna share with you guys is something that I can't believe, all right? First tip says, go ahead and get a bucket of hot soapy water and dump it into your bowl. Wait 15 minutes and the hot soapy water tends to break down whatever grease or grime that was stuck into the pipe and any toilet paper that was stuck in there. It's supposed to dislodge it. So right here, I got my bucket of soapy hot water. All right, so start the timer. I'll see you guys back in 15 minutes. Okay, so it's been about 15 minutes, and the trick for putting Dawn dish soap in hot water, letting it sit in the bowl, sat. So let's turn the water back on, and let's go ahead and flush it and see if it'll flush. All right, it didn't work. So there's something else that's lodged in there. So round number 2, we're gonna use a good old-fashioned plunger. You're gonna make sure that there's a complete seal on it, and then even strokes up and down to force whatever obstruction is in the toilet out. So let's go. All right, let's go ahead and try. It's finally flushing, but it's not completely flushing. And I'm hearing bubbles out of the sink, so that leads me to believe that there's another clog somewhere. I'm gonna plunge it one more time to see if that will help. All right, rather than go and grab into the toilet snake, what I decided to do, run some water in the faucet and then also plunge out the shower drain and see if we were able to get some crap out of there, and maybe that will also help free what was stuck in it. All right, so there was a lot of sludge, as you could see, that was in there. So I'm gonna go ahead and say, hopefully that has cleared up the clog. I'm gonna start running all faucets to see if we could dislodge it on hot water. All right, we're all set here. And the first method didn't work, which was the dish Dawn soap in hot water and let it sit for 15 minutes. The clog was a little bit too big. Second method, the first time plunging around didn't work, but then I ended up going over to the shower and plunging that one as well to see if I could create a suction to pull whatever clog was in the toilet, in the pipe underneath, and then out. And then sure enough, as I was plunging over there, I was able to pull the clog through it, break it up, and then I went ahead and put another set of warm dish soap in the toilet, let it sit for 10 minutes while I was working on the shower. Afterwards, in the shower, 2 or 3 times of going ahead and pumping it with the plunger, I was able to suck everything out, water became clear, and now the toilet, sink, shower, and kitchen sink all drain with no issues. Till next time, stay handy, my friends.